Welcome to the Cube Pro Organizer campaign, a modular 3D printing organizer system with endless possibilities. Cube Pro Organizer is optimized for FDM printers, so you don't need any supports. Also, you don't need any extra tools or glue to assemble it. And best of all, you can assemble it any way you want. The campaign is divided into two main pledges and a third pledge with the commercial license, so you can market the product by yourself. Inside Builder's Pledge, you'll find the full line of store cubes and their accessories. Just print the module you need and start storing. If you want to change the setup, no problem. Just take it apart and put it back together again. Are you a gamer or just like painting? Hobby Pledge is your thing. It includes the paint cube, designed to hold paints of all major brands, which will make it easy to have everything organized and ready for your painting sessions. This pledge also includes the Cube to Go, a modular transport system designed especially for gamers. But thanks to its flexibility, it can also be used as a display or as a transport for larger pieces. See you in the campaign.